With the working key, open the control compartment and use the handle to pull the compartment towards us. Turn off the automatic button on the power unit. Turn off the power cable at the back of the machine. Open the glass door of the compartment for the delivery of snacks. Disconnect the shelf connector from the main harness of the machine. Remove the shelf from the machine, pulling the latch to the left. Disconnect the connector of the cable from the motor and get the motor with the auger. Remove the auger from the motor sharply, turning it counterclockwise. Set the auger to the engine. Fix it on the engine by turning it clockwise. Install the motor with the auger on the shelf. Connect the connector. Set the shelf in the machine. Connect the connector of the shelf to the main harness of the machine. Connect the power cable at the back of the machine. Turn on the vending machine using the button. Click the operator menu button in the control section. Select the menu item motor test using buttons on the keyboard of the machine. Select the motor number for testing and run the test. Leave the menu with the button A before the restart of the vending machine. We close the glass door of the compartment for the delivery of snacks. Push the control compartment door until it stops. We remove the handle inside and close the lock with the working key.